How to help kids find their passion and inner peace. Every new human being comes with a hidden talent or some special skill. They just need the opportunity to discover what that is. We are all special in one way or another. With some children, their talent is quickly revealed when they demonstrate great passion for something and quickly excel at it. For other children, though, lack of opportunity can mean it takes much longer to discover their special ability or interest. A child who can be involved in something they are passionate about experiences a great sense of satisfaction and a sense of accomplishment. This positive feeling of achievement bolsters their self-confidence, promotes a sense of inner peace, and increases their level of contentment with their little world. With a robust level of mental well-being, children can do better in other aspects of their lives, and it helps build rewarding relationships with family and friends. It is important to discover what activities stimulate your child's involvement the most. They don't even have to be superstars to experience the benefits gained by actively pursuing their interests. Participation itself is what is important. Being involved in a favorite sport, singing along with the choir, learning a new instrument, collecting stamps, experimenting with recipes in the kitchen. All these activities demand the child's full attention and make them happy and engaged. Happy kids are calm, more relaxed, and cooperative. Anxieties are diminished, and often their schoolwork and their sleep patterns can benefit. Childhood activities can flow on to adulthood vocations. Expose your kids to all kinds of activities and learning experiences while they're growing up. Who knew little Johnny would be a brilliant guitarist? How surprising when little Wendy became a surfing champion. How amazing that little Philippe grew up to be a celebrated chef. And what about Georgia? Where were the clues that she would become a gardening host on a successful television series? Parents often have a sense of what might capture their children's interest and should expose them to activities that might resonate with their personalities. Understandably, an expensive hobby may be out of reach for many families. Not everyone can afford years of music or singing lessons and a grand piano in the salon. But the parent can consider their budget and guide their child to suitable interests within their reach. Despite parents saying they know their child and what he might enjoy doing, yet the little fellow can still surprise everyone. A chance experience with a new sport or unusual activity can quickly become a passion that the child can become very excited over. For the well-being it promotes, it is great if the parent is in a position to support the child's new interest and enable his participation. With success in pursuit of their passion, youngsters can benefit from the positives it brings to their lives. It fortifies their self-image and develops their feelings of self-worth. This can translate to success in other aspects of their lives and helps promote better interpersonal relationships right into their adult lives. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.